Hello everyone, welcome back to our new session of the IPTV or setup box. So in this session, I will explain you about the best streaming devices or best streaming media which is used in 2020. So I've already discussed several topics on the HTV and IPTV. I've received questions on how many or what is the best streaming media in latest date. So based on your questions, I've created this session for you for understanding each and every model or each and every product. Please be available from start to end of this tutorial so that we'll get to learn about complete understanding about the best streaming devices which is used in 2020. So let's begin with this. So first of all, what is best streaming media and which is the best application or product is launched on several devices. So just like in nowadays, Roku, Amazon, Chromecast, Apple TV is already available in the market. Many of the people are using the products. Everyone is giving their reviews and comments. But how you can judge that which is the best suits for our devices? For selecting any devices best suit for us, it's totally dependent on your device, which device you are using and through which device you are connecting. If you are likely or you are happy to see the content in your mobile devices, obviously you can select the device which is compatible to your mobile devices. If you want or you like to watch the content on big screen like TV or in Ultra HD format, then definitely you will go with the supportable devices. So we have already reviewed every major smart TV system and all the major streaming media devices on the market today, including Amazon, Roku, Chromecast and Apple TV. With the accession of smart TV that actually runs Amazon's or Roku software, TV streaming devices have more apps, similar remotes, better search and more frequent updates than the smart built into your set. So if you are looking for the best streaming devices to go with that new 4K HDR TV, or if your current media streaming device is getting long in the tooth, chances are you will be more than happy with one of these. I have already included 8 of the devices. I will explain you their features and I will show you the images as well, how it looks and how it is advanced. So you have to decide that which supportable devices you are using for the setup box or streaming media to, and it is compatible for your device or not. If you are using older versions of your mobile devices, then some of the devices will definitely not going to support you, and even if it supports in your devices, then also it will not give you proper indication or proper clarity of that, because some of the devices are Ultra HD and many of the mobile devices is not supporting Ultra HD. So our first set is Roku Streaming Stick Plus. As per my knowledge, Roku is the best and Roku Streaming Stick Plus is best for already upgraded TVs, mobile and everything. So Roku is a favorite streaming system with the most streaming apps, the simplest interface, the best search and a content agnostic platform that does not push any one media streaming provider like Amazon Prime Video or iTunes over another. The Plus is one of the cheapest streaming TV option with the 4K HDR, and even if your current TV does not support those formats, your next one probably will. Its accent on practical features like a remote control that can control your TV's volume and power seals the deal. So here we will describe you the top 8 or top 10 streaming media in detail. If you want to learn about these devices, please watch my further sessions. I have already created Roku about all the products available in the Roku related to media content. So here we will go by one their products, and this is the image. So how the Roku streaming stick plugs will looks like. This is the remote and this is the peripheral components are attached with this. It is required to connect your TV and devices. Second is Amazon Fire TV. So how it looks, you can see here. Amazon Fire TV platform is a modified version of Android designed with Amazon content in mind. Fire TV devices are forged heavily on Amazon Prime Media with Amazon Prime Video and Amazon Prime Music built prominently into the menu system. There are plenty of other content services are available through Fire TV as individual apps like Hulu, Netflix and YouTube. So these three are basically online channels which is providing the content and these applications are already integrated into this. So many of the European countries or UK countries or French based countries which is having set-top box are already integrated Hulu, Netflix and YouTube in their set-top box. But the big advantage of Fire TV is having all of your Prime content right at your fingertips. Amazon has equipped Fire TV with Alexa, the same voice assistant used in the company Echo speaker. It's a usual tool to use with the voice remote included with the current Fire TV sticks. If you want hands-free Alexa with your Fire TV, the Fire TV Cube features a far-field microphones array that can pick up your command just like an Echo without needing to use the remote. So if you want to look about the detail in the Amazon Fire Stick, please watch my previous session. You will get to know. So here we are discussing about the best component available on what is the best in 2020. Third is Apple TV 4K. You can see here the image is small and interactive devices and remote is also very small to handle. This box of trick offers the typically like experience we have come to expect from Apple. Voice controls come courtesy of Siri, Apple's personal assistants, while 4K and HDR are all part and parcel of the packages. There is plenty to watch too thanks to Apple extensive catalog of 4K and HDR content. And with the arrival of the Apple TV Plus streaming services, that's only got better. Netflix, iPlayer, Amazon Prime videos are offered with the Now TV and Or4 both present now too. It's not cheap, it's positively exorbitant compared to some in this list, but if you are happy with the life in the Apple ecosystem and you can afford it, it's money well spent for the home streaming enthusiasts. Google Chromecast is the fourth option which is available or in our list. Fourth option, you can select it, or if you want, if you are very big fan of the Google, definitely go with this. Google Cast is the best visually abstractive and physically complicated media streaming platform. You take a Chromecast, plug it into your power sources, plug it into your TV or sound system and control everything through your mobile devices. There are no remotes, no on-screen interfaces and no app store to separately navigate. You just connect your Chromecast to your home network and stream whatever you are watching from a Google Cast compatible app, of which there are many on your smartphone or tablet. Fifth is Nvidia Shield TV. In 2019, Nvidia Shield TV does not just look unlike any other streaming devices we have ever seen. It's more like a mobile power charger. You can see here. So this is a remote and this is Nvidia Shield TV. We have ever seen it's more like a mobile power charger. It's also one of the best streaming devices, period. This tube for a TV is great at speedily spitting out UHD 4K content, and its thousands of apps means you are getting practically everything you could watch, and it is so slight in the size that it will fit discreetly into ever crowded space around your TV. This Shield TV also includes a remote control rather than a game controller. We love this remote because it illuminates when you pick it. up in the dark. You won't miss the lack of your packed in controller thanks to PlayStation 4 and Xbox One controller support. That all adds up to the best streaming devices for those willing to spend more. 6 is Now TV Smart Stick. It's a very compact device. You just have to connect into your USB connector or HDMI connector at under 20 euro. This is one of the cheapest ways to turn your old TV into a smart TV. Most of the main streaming services are here except for Amazon Prime Video, and as you would expect, it gently nudges you towards Sky's Now TV streaming services at every turn. While it can stream in 1080p, Now TV tops out at 720p. If you can put up with these limitations, it's a bargain and a great way to get Sky TV without a subscription. 7th is Roku Express. You can see here it's very small as compared to other setup boxes which is available in market. For the price of Blu-ray movie disc, you can get a whole media streamer which comes with the plenty of free content. Roku Express delivers all of the goodness of Roku's platform, and it includes a remote, an HDMI port and micro USB port, and HDMI cable and a little sticker to keep it in place. Roku Ultra at $100. This is the most expensive Roku, but if you must have it all, then the Roku Ultra has a lot to offer. While the image quality and operating system are indistinguishable from the streaming stick, plus the Ultra is especially handy for the forgetful among us. Ultra offers both the remote finder and 2 extra customizable shortcut buttons for your favorite services. So this is all about we have get it from the market, and these devices are already running and their views are excellent. So it's totally depend on you which devices are using and how much you are comfortable with these devices and what's your needs. So decide from your perspective, decide from your content and device compatibility. Then these devices are very much affordable and easy to use components. So hope you understand it. If you have any queries or comment, please comment in the comment box so that I will check and revert with the solution. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.